When I first started training, I thought that as long as I chose the right place to work out, everything would change. Gym or calisthenics. One side was the sound of metal weights crashing together. The other was a rusty pull-up bar in the park at sunset. But what no one tells you is this: you can choose wrong and waste months without understanding why you're not improving. By the end of this video, I'll show you how to choose correctly based on your own body. Phase 1. Real story and common misconceptions. When I first started, I thought like most people, big muscles go to the gym, strong body do movements in the park. It sounded logical, but reality is completely different. Misconception has shown heavier weights equals better results. In the gym, many people lift heavy but still have shoulder pain, weak backs, and tight necks. Not because the gym is wrong, but because they use joints instead of muscles. But there was a group of people who barely touched weights, yet their physiques looked very real. I doubted it. Misconception #2. Calisthenics is just light work. Push-ups, pull-ups, dips are often seen as just warm-up. But when you have to control your entire body weight, your abs, back, glutes, and shoulders all wake up at the same time. And that was the moment I realized I had completely misunderstood how the body is truly activated. Misconception #3. If I like it, it must be right. Most people choose their training environment based on emotion. Like the gym vibe, choose the gym. See cool bar videos hang from bars in the park. But almost no one asks the most important question: what is my real goal? Phase 2. Core knowledge and real solution. There is a very simple principle that very few people truly understand. Gym equals controlling external force. Calisthenics equals controlling yourself. When does the gym work best? The gym is powerful when your goal is build muscle mass, increase isolated strength, create clear muscle definition. Biological mechanism. Weights create large tension. Muscle fibers experience micro tears, recover, grow thicker. The gym is like downloading raw strength directly into your body. But calisthenics doesn't download, it forces your body to update its own operating system. How does calisthenics build the body? It improves neuromuscular coordination, real functional endurance, flexibility, mechanism. Multiple muscle groups activate at the same time. The brain learns how to control the body more efficiently. This isn't about lifting weights. This is about teaching your body to become a self-operating machine. And this is exactly what many gym lifters are missing without realizing it. Mid-video truth. If you want to get big the fastest, the gym is faster. If you want real strength, calisthenics is better. If you want to be complete, you can't ignore either one. Phase 3. Rare strategy most people don't talk about. This is the part most videos won't tell you. Smart combination method. Sample SMART weekly plan. 3 gym sessions. Squat, bench, row, overhead press. 2 calisthenics sessions. Pull-ups, dips, push-ups, plank skill work. This gives you faster muscle growth, a balanced physique, and lower injury risk. Rarely taught truth. If you're overweight, the gym is the easier door to walk through. If you're skinny, calisthenics helps you build a foundation faster. Simple formula. Heavier body machines. Lighter body weight. Powerful mindset. There is no perfect exercise. Only the one you can do consistently. Your body doesn't change because of the exercise. It changes because you don't quit. Summary. So what is the smart choice? Gym helps you build muscle faster. Calisthenics teaches you to control your body better. Combination equals real strength. Your challenge today: do 10 slow squats. Brace your core. Feel your legs working. Comment below. Are you Team GYM or Team Calisthenics? If this video helped you understand your body better, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.